Welcome back to our channel, guys. You don't know, say your girl Whitney, and today me I pulled this morning because it's like 4 o'clock in the morning, guys. Me I go prank Jessie. Yeah, I'm not done to the title already. I want to know what it's gonna be about, right? He already been hinting towards, you know, what grown folks do, so I know he gonna come up here on that stuff, so that's the perfect time to prank him on that. So just stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Babe, you done? They gonna say some what August saw versus what Jada saw, because she said entanglement. And he was like, we was in a relationship. It's funny as hell.
How you feeling?
Alright. A little tired.
Not too tired, right?
Hmm?
I said not too tired, right?
What? For what? Tired for what? Too tired for what?
Too tired to sleep. Watch just a little bit.
You not tired?
Not yet. I want to get tired though.
You want to get tired?
Yeah.
No. Not tonight. I don't feel like it. I'm tired. If you ain't tired, I'm tired. Shit. Is the air on?
Yeah, the air is on.
Oh, okay. You know, when you finish, could you cut the light off?
I will. As soon as I'm finished.
Finish what? I just told you I was tired.
Babe,
What?
don't you want me to put you to sleep?
I can put myself to sleep. It's called shutting your eyes.
Why are you getting so loud?
Because I'm trying to tell you that I'm not in the mood and you just steady pressing it. I'm not in the mood.
So you got me hyped up all day for nothing.
You got yourself hyped up. Did nobody tell you to do all that?
No, you got me messed up. You got me messed up, dog.
Stop, babe.
You
What?
for real?
Yes. I don't like, no, don't do that. Like, chill out.
What's wrong with you?
I don't know. I'm just, I haven't been in the mood lately. You know.
Lately?
Yeah.
What you mean lately?
I just said what I meant. I'm not in the mood. I haven't been in the mood lately. Like,
You wanna talk? Alright, let's talk. What's wrong? What's wrong with you?
I don't want to hurt your feelings, babe.
No, talk to me. How you feel?
You sure you want to know?
Yeah, how you feel? You 100 with me.
I am 100% with you. I'm just saying, like, I don't know what it is, but for the last couple of days, I'm not feeling you. Like, I'm not attracted to you no more. What's so funny?
You playing.
I'm not.
You joking. You funny, man. Hey, star.
I'm serious.
Since when?
I don't know. It just came on. I don't know.
Yo, you like somebody else?
I wouldn't say all that, but I'm just not attracted to you no more.
Okay.
Like, you don't do it for me no more.
Alright. So... Yeah.
I mean, I could be attracted to somebody else. Maybe.
So what you into fat guys now? You into what you into?
Why I gotta be into fat
What
guys?
is it?
I'm just saying, I'm not. You don't do it for me no more. Like, I mean, you getting fat, so if I was into fat guys, I'd be attracted to you right now.
Yeah, you getting fat too.
Okay, we both getting fat.
Okay.
They don't got nothing to do with nothing.
Alright. So alright.
You just, I don't know. Maybe it's what you not doing. Like, you used to look so sexy. You don't look sexy no more. I don't know what you doing wrong, but you ain't doing it for me no more. I just don't feel it. Like,
Well, what is coming from?
it's not coming from nowhere, babe. I'm just telling you. You asked for the truth, and I'm trying to tell you how I feel right now. Like, that's why I want you to touch me this morning. Like, I just don't feel it.
You like somebody else?
I don't like somebody else, but I could.
Who?
If you don't get your shit together. You need to start doing what you used to do, because this ain't gonna work.
What I used to do?
Keep yourself up. Like, you don't be looking the same way no more.
I'm not getting fat.
It's not just all about fat. Like, you just be letting yourself go. Like, what?
Are you joking?
I'm not joking. I'm dead serious.
You playing right now, man.
I'm dead serious, babe. You asked for the truth, and I'm trying to be honest with you as your wife, so you can fix the problem. Because if you don't, then I'm going to find somebody who I will be attracted to.
Okay. Alright, well, good job. You just turned me off, so that's cool. Cool. Alright.
I don't see how you could be turned on right now. I'm telling you, I'm not. I'm not turned on, so you shouldn't be turned on either.
Because I think you're coming up with an excuse
For what?
to not do it tonight.
No. Okay. If you want to see it as an excuse, I'm trying to be honest with you. You don't do it for me no more. Like, you're not sexy no more. I don't like what I'm seeing.
Okay.
Like,
so what we gonna do?
I'm on Facebook every day, all day, seeing all these fine ass men on Instagram, and I got to look at this. You don't do it for me no more. I don't know. Like, you got to step your game up for something.
You funny, man. You funny.
You just got to step your game up. Look at your hair. Like, who want to look at that? That's not sexy. I don't like that.
You wanna go fix it?
That ain't gonna fix the problem. You still like.
Listen. What can I do right now to fix the problem?
Maybe we should just try messing with some other people and see how that goes. What, babe? Like, you just steady laughing. Like, this ain't no joke.
Okay.
You want to try, like, having sex with somebody else?
Who you got in mind? You got somebody in mind already?
No, but I can find somebody.
You keep saying that. You keep saying that. You can find somebody.
Babe, I'm trying to be honest with you.
Who do you have in mind right now?
I don't have nobody in mind.
Babe, who you got in mind?
Nobody. You just need to get your shit together. I'm giving you a warning, and it's the last warning.
So
if you don't get your shit together, I'm gonna find somebody who I'm attracted to.
So you want to sleep with somebody else?
I mean,
you want me to sleep with somebody else?
I ain't say I want you to sleep with somebody else. I said you need to get your shit together, and if you don't,
that's not what you said.
What I said then?
You said you think we should sleep with other people.
Okay, then we can do that then.
Who you trying to sleep with?
Nobody, but I can find somebody.
You got somebody in mind?
I don't have nobody in mind.
You got nobody in mind?
No.
You funny.
We done talking about this?
You funny. I keep myself up. I don't care what you say.
You think you keep yourself up still?
I do.
Did you look in the mirror when you got out the bathroom just now?
Yes.
And you think you look sexy?
Yes.
You think that would make me, just for you? You think that'll make me so hot for you? What you seen in the mirror? This big old gut, your flat chest, because you don't have no six-pack no more. That's a turn off, for one. Second, look at your hair, talking about you just washed
that's
it.
from that weight gainer, you know that.
So
No,
I'm
I'm
talking
not
to you
that
and you
bad.
looking in the mirror. I'm trying to tell you what you need to fix. I'm not attracted to you anymore. You not sexy no more. Like, you need to get your shit together. How many times I'm gonna say it? Like, I got to keep saying it.
I know this is a joke.
It's not a
I
joke.
know you're joking.
I'm not joking.
Okay. All right. Well.
We done now because I'm trying to go to bed.
Okay.
And don't be trying to poke me in the back in the middle of my sleep. Cause it ain't gonna happen till you get your shit to move.
So you can sit here and tell me that I get my shit together.
Yes, Adam. Just look, can you cut the light off so we can go to bed?
Hold on. You said Adam?
I said babe.
Adam.
I said babe.
Who's Adam?
I don't know what Adam.
Alright, first of all, you talk about my hair. Look at your hair.
No, but I gotta.
No, look at your hair. Look at your hair. Look in the mirror. Look at your hair, alright?
I got a bonnet on.
Okay,
Shit.
look at your hair. Look at yours in the mirror. You see?
I got braids.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Well,
So,
leave my hair
talk about
alone.
my hair.
Give me my
Talk about my
stuff.
stomach. Look at your stomach. Have you looked in the mirror?
Okay. Well,
Talk about my stomach.
I know somebody who like it.
Who is Adam?
Ain't nobody named Adam. Just give me my stuff. Why you do that?
Who is Adam?
Ain't nobody named Adam. You just dang.
Okay. Alright, you wanna play games? Alright.
I'm not playing no games, babe. You asked me a question. I'm trying to be honest with you. You just took my whole bonnet off and stuff. I'm trying to go to bed. What are you doing? What you doing? I don't got time for your BS. You can just cut the light off so I can go to bed. Shit. I'm tired. Babe.
Who is Adam?
It's nobody.
Who is Adam?
What you doing? You can't do that. You gonna wet the bed.
Who is
It's
Adam?
nobody.
Who is Adam?
It's nobody. Babe.
Who is Adam?
That freaking water is cold.
Who is Adam?
It's nobody. Babe, chill out. You go
Who
wet
is
the
Adam?
bed.
I don't care about the bed right now. Who is Adam?
Stop. It's
I'm
nobody.
sleeping in the living room tonight. Who is Adam?
Cause I told you to.
Who is Adam?
Babe,
Who is Adam?
chill out.
Who is Adam?
It's nobody. I just said it's nobody. It's nobody, babe. I promise. Stop.
Why are you playing games?
Chill out.
Who is Adam? Tell me. Who is Adam? Who is Adam? He's a joke? Huh?
It's a prank. It's a prank, motherfucker.
Where the camera at?
Why you wet?
Where the camera at?
It's a prank, man.
Where is the camera?
I'm gonna show you. It's a prank. Dang.
It better be a prank.
It is a prank. Damn. It's over here behind the TV. Say hello.
Please, playing.
You knew I was playing, and
Yeah,
you got
it
the
is.
spray bottle and wet me up and took my freaking bonnet off.
Calling you fat.
You are fat. Look at that.
Who is Adam? For real though.
It's nobody. It's a prank, babe. Dang.
Man, you can't pin me on there like this, man.
Why not?
My freaking hair is all bloated out.
It's okay, babe. You cute. I was just playing.
You better be playing, man. I'm telling you. I know, because I was like, who you going with, man? No, I keep myself up. I might be
You
getting
say
a
you know
little
you
fat.
fine, huh?
Got
You
me
know
all
you fine.
exposed.
Babe,
That's
stop.
the
That's
plan.
cold.
That's the plan.
You so irritating. You so irritating, babe. Y'all see what he did to me? He took my whole thing
I'm
off.
fat. I'm fat. Ugh, man. Get off of here, man. I do look a hot mess right now, though. Dang.
We both look a hot mess.
Yeah.
Shit. I'm trying to go. Why you wet the bed up, Jessie? And you wet my side of the bed up too. You gonna sleep on this
You the one who
side?
was playing too much.
No. You gonna sleep on the wet side. I'm not sleeping on that side. You got me messed up.
What time is it right now?
I don't know. Let me see.
It's early in the
The
morning.
sun coming out. Shoot. It is 5:43.
It's 5:43 in the morning. You want to make video?
I don't know if y'all can see
YouTube
it.
videos.
Yep, 5:43. Y'all, he freaking sprayed me. Okay, took my bonnet off. This is harassment. He harassed me.
Listen,
You wet my side of the bed. How I supposed to sleep now?
You pressing buttons. Talking about you digging in my soul.
Ratchet.
Call me ugly.
But alright, guys, wanna see him reaction and tell me if me get him or not. We are gonna be there now, cause sun out the door. See babes there. I'ma show you. I'ma show you say early morning settings. Watch there. The sun out and all these things. So we are come go to bed. Sign out the babes where you gone. Tell the people them good night or good morning. Good morning, good night, whatever.
This ain't over. We still talking about this.
Ain't nothing to talk about. It's a prank.
But you said it was all of the prank though.
All of it. You know you sexy.
Alright.